attendance nanti. Okay, kita nak habiskan chapter 10 hari ni ya. Last Monday we have learned about the first subtopic, method of medicine. Okay, we have 3 options: traditional method, modern method, and complementary method. Okay, traditional method or traditional medicine, it use plant or animal from natural substance. Modern, from modern method, surgery, radiotherapy, stitches, okay, laser, that is modern. Complementary, consider the view of traditional and modern. Complementary, dia focus on the whole body, okay, the health for the whole body, including your mind, okay, other than to treat disease. For the complementary method, it refers to the whole body health, okay. Either physically, mentally, and also your emotionally health, okay, complementary. Right, and then you learn about the type of medicine, okay, type of medicine for traditional. So kalau traditional, we just based on the animal or plant, okay. Most of the type of medicine for traditional is plants lah. Okay, we have aloe vera, ginseng, ginger, halia, hibiscus plant, quinine, tongkat ali. Right. Okay, that for traditional from the natural sources. Modern, we have three type of medicine in modern, which is analgesic to relieve pain. Okay. Second one is antibiotic, and then the third one is therapeutic for the psychiatric patient. Okay, for to treat mental illnesses. That is for modern. Analgesic to relieve pain, we have paracetamol lah, Panadol, and then we have aspirin, okay, stronger than paracetamol. Okay, aspirin, paracetamol, and the third one is codeine. Can cause addiction lah if the dosage is too high. Okay, kalau you ambil banyak sangat codeine ni, dia akan menyebabkan ketagihan, addiction. Alright, and then complementary, the type of medicine based on the practitioner. Ada acupuncture, okay, acupuncture that use the sterile needle. Okay, dia hanya guna jarum sahaja, okay, insert into the specific point on your body. Okay, then we have chiropractic. Okay, chiropractic to correct your bone position, okay, your bone position. Then we have massage, traditional massage, using your hand, finger, right, to relieve pain, to relieve muscle tension. Okay. Okay, that one for complementary. Homeopathy and herbal therapy also. Homeopathy, the substance, the chemical substance used lah, right. And then herbal, it use part of plant, the root, the leaf of the plant. So that's one for complementary. Right. Then effect of misuse of medicine ni, kalau ini secara general lah. Okay. Apa efek dia kalau terlebih ataupun salah guna ubat, can cause death, less effective. Okay. Kalau satu hari ambil, satu hari tak ambil, okay, tak ikut dia punya prescription tu, so dia akan jadi less effective, kurang berkesan. Okay. Or you will lose your immune system lah for antibiotic. Okay. Let's say the doctors ask you to take for 5 days, but you didn't. You didn't take it for 5 days, you just take for 2 days only. So the bacteria will stay inside your body and it will not be killed. Apa lagi? Okay, maybe some of the medicine, they can cause side effect, can cause allergy. Ada yang akan Alergi, mudah vomiting, muntah, headache, sakit kepala. Contoh salah guna ubat. And then maybe will cause addiction. Okay, cough syrup, ubat batuk. Daripada 3 kali sehari, you ambil 5 kali sehari, so it will cause addiction. Right. Okay, now we go to the free radical. Second subtopic for today. Saya nak habiskan free radical, antioxidant and health product. So sikit saja. Right, what is free radicals? Apa tu radical bebas? Okay, kita selalu dengar dalam iklan-iklan produk, biasanya untuk yang skincare, untuk yang masalah kulit. Okay, free radical. To prevent free radical. So what is actually free radical? Okay. Free radicals are atoms or molecules that lack of one electron. Okay, unstable atom or electron. Tengok nota lah, the text. Okay, 10.2 free radical, radical bebas. Okay, this free radical that cause some of the disease in our body lah. So we need to know what is free radical and how to prevent this free radical from occur inside our body. Okay, what is free radical? Free radicals are atoms or molecules that lack of one electron that make it unstable. What is free radical? Free radicals are unstable atoms or molecules. Okay, because the atom lack of one electron. Dia kurang satu elektron. Kita dah belajar tentang atom. Okay. We have learned about atom. Okay, atom. Inside the atom we have nucleus. Okay, outside the nucleus we have shell. Okay, first shell, second shell, and at each cell we have electron. Okay, electron. So sometimes, okay, the atoms lack of one electron. Dia kurang elektron. Okay. Dia kurang elektron because of the oxidation. Oxidation process. Okay. So when the atom lack of one electron, tak ada elektron satu, it will become unstable. Okay, it will become unstable atom or unstable molecule. Okay, molecule ni maksudnya more than one atom lah. Okay, more than one atom. More atom combined together. We call it molecule. So atom or molecule that lack one electron, okay, become unstable atom or molecule. We call it free radical. So this free radical tend to attack other atoms or molecule. Dia akan pergi serang atom lain atau molekul lain to become like them. Okay, so this atom, unstable atom, that we call it free radical, it will attack other atom or molecule to produce another free radicals. So these free radicals are very dangerous. It harmful to our health. It will cause a chain reaction and attack another atom or molecule to release another free radicals. So now you know what is the meaning of free radicals. Free radicals are atoms or molecules that lack one electron. Okay, one electron make it unstable, okay, reactive, and tend to attack other atom or molecule to release another free radical. Okay. What are the effect of free radicals on human health? Okay. Inside our body, there are a lot of oxidation process because we need energy, okay, to move, to do the activity, regular activity. So there must be oxidation process, okay, to produce energy. Now, the oxidation process come from the cell lah, okay, inside our body cell. Tengok. Okay. So the free radicals, okay, the unstable atom or molecule just now, it released from the oxidation process. Okay. Oxidation process is a chemical reaction that occur when a substance lose electron in its reaction. That is oxidation process. So oxidation process ni lah yang akan hasilkan unstable atom, or we call it free radical. Okay. Right. In our body, we have two type of process that undergo oxidation process, which is metabolism and inflammation. Okay, metabolism and inflammation inside our body. Metabolism means you eating lah. Okay, bila you makan makanan, so the food will be oxidized to produce energy. But beside produce the energy, the oxidation process will release free radical. So lagi banyak metabolism occur inside our body, there are a lot of free radical will be released. Okay. Okay, then the second one is inflammation. Inflammation that occur in the white blood cell. Okay, during the reaction against the disease, occur some inflammation process. Okay. These two processes are two internal factors that produce free radicals in our body. Okay. Metabolism and inflammation. Two types of reaction that produce free radicals through oxidation process. Okay. Other than internal factor, okay, metabolism and inflammation ni we call it as internal factor lah, sebab dia berlaku dalam kita punya badan, inside our body. The second one is external factor. Okay. There are external factor also that can increase the production of free radical inside our body. Other than metabolism and inflammation that occur in our body, there are external factor. Ada faktor luaran that will increase the production of free radical in our body. So, the factors are coming from cigarette smoke. Okay, cigarette smoke, from the radiation of the sunlight, from the air pollution. So, this type of factor, this external factor, will increase the production of free radical inside our body. Okay, so banyaklah. Okay, there are a lot of free radical will be produced. Right. First production is internal factor. Dalam badan you sendiri dah ada banyak free radical. Lepas tu tambah lagi dengan external factor. Contohnya exposure to the air pollution, to the sunlight. Keluar sahaja rumah, kena cahaya matahari. So free radical akan produce inside our body. So lagi banyak dah free radicals. Okay. What happen if there are too much free radicals in our body? It will damage our DNA structure. Okay. Tahu tadi kan dia punya definition tadi, free radicals tadi dia akan attack another atom or molecule. So this free radical, if they stay in our body, it will damage our DNA structure. It will remove the electron from the DNA. Dia akan kacau orang lain pula. Dia akan kacau atom lain, molekul lain dalam kita punya badan. Okay. So these free radicals damage our DNA structure by removing electron from molecules that bulk DNA. Okay. Badan kita ni semua ada atom, semua ada nukleus. Kita ada sel. Setiap badan kita, setiap benda lah dalam badan kita ni adalah sel. So dalam sel ada nukleus. Okay, dalam nukleus ada molekul. Right. So this free radical will attack our molecule inside the body cell, such as DNA. Okay. It will attack DNA, and what happen? If your DNA damaged, okay, it will cause mutation and also cancer. Kalau dah kacau DNA kita, kita punya DNA akan jadi mutate lah. Okay, mutasi, chromosome mutation. You have learned about chromosome mutation, gene mutation. So akan will cause cancer and other mutation lah. Mutation you dah belajar kan, ada banyak jenis mutation. Klinefelter, Turner, syndrome Down. Itu adalah mutation lah. Gene mutation and chromosome mutation. Okay, color blindness. Right. So the mutation and cancer is caused by the attack of the free radicals. Okay, attack from free radicals towards the DNA structure. Okay, it attack the molecule that built our DNA. Okay. Now, free radicals also cause diseases such as cardiovascular disease, penyakit jantung lah, cardiovascular disease, and also make person infertility, mandul, infertility, kemandulan. Boleh menyebabkan kemandulan. It attack the molecule inside our reproductive cell lah. Okay. Dia akan attack reproductive cell or DNA inside the reproductive cell. Okay. Damage the kidneys, liver and also lungs. Okay, kerosakan pada ginjal, you punya kidney. Kidney failure can cause kidney failure, kegagalan buah pinggang. Okay. Malfunction of kidney, your liver, okay, attack your liver and also lungs. Okay, contohnya kalau lungs ni from the cigarette smoke tadilah. Okay, the cigarette smoke, when a person smoke or passive smoker, active smoker, passive smoker. Passive tu yang hidup asap sahaja. Inhale the smoke only. Passive smoker. Active smoker is the person who smoking. So both active and passive smoker will be affected from the cigarette smoke. Because the cigarette smoke will release free radical. Free radical will enter our body and attack our DNA. Okay, attack our DNA. Okay. Right. Other than that, it will cause premature aging conditions such as wrinkles and grey hair. Okay, yang ni memang tak boleh nak elak lah. Okay. Even kita akan tetap akan jadi grow older and older. So this one cannot be prevented lah, wrinkles and grey hair. Or maybe if there is more free radicals, okay, the reaction are faster. Okay, the reaction become faster. Okay, kita tak jaga kesihatan, so muda pun dah nampak lebih tua. Adalah cause premature aging. Premature aging maksudnya belum sampai usia 50, belum sampai usia 70 dah nampak macam older. Okay. Boleh The effect of free radical cause disease, damage your kidney, liver and lungs, the organ inside your body, and cause premature aging. Okay. Right. Okay, contoh internal factors. The internal factors tadi we have two type of internal factors. metabolism and inflammation. Okay, metabolism will undergo oxidation process that release free radicals. So these free radicals will attack our DNA molecule. Okay, this is our chromosome lah. Okay, inside our nucleus. Still remember, ni benda ni datang dari mana? Okay, this one come from nucleus inside our body cell. So setiap daripada kita punya badan ada sel. So dalam sel ada nukleus. Dalam nukleus ada kromosom. Dalam kromosom ada DNA. Dalam DNA ada gene. So tu yang tu ingat balik. You start with the cell. Kita start dengan sel. Sel kulit, sel rambut, sel mata, sel darah, sel tulang. So the whole of our body is built from cell. So if there are a lot of free radicals inside our body, it will attack each of our cell. Right? So if it attack our reproductive cell, it will cause infertility, kemandulan. Okay? Right. So yang ni saya ulang balik. Dalam sel ada nukleus. Okay, dalam nukleus ada kromosom. Okay, kromosom. Dalam kromosom ada DNA. Okay, inside DNA we have gene. Okay, gene. Inilah yang gene. Yang petak kecil panjang ni adalah gene. Different gene. Side by side is different gene. So kalau dia radical ni, free radical will attack our gene and will cause mutation lah. Either gene mutation or chromosome mutation. Dia akan ubah kita punya structure of the chromosome, DNA structure. Okay, other than metabolism, we have inflammation. Okay, inflammation through white blood cell. White blood cell will produce free radical that also attack your DNA structure. Okay. This one is internal factor. Okay. Second factor, external factor caused by air pollution. Okay, air pollution, ultraviolet ray, exposure to the UV ray from the sunlight. Okay, UV ray ni sangat bahayalah sebab dia punya gelombang sangat tinggi. Frekuensi dia higher than our visible light. So dia boleh penetrate our body and attack your DNA. Okay. And then ionizing radiation also. X-ray, gamma ray also same with UV ray but higher than UV ray. X-ray, gamma ray from the ionizing radiation, okay, have a high frequency. Okay, higher frequency. Okay, higher frequency and can penetrate our body. Okay, X-ray, gamma ray. Okay, other than X-ray, kita ada gamma ray. Okay, gamma ray. Okay, and then UV ray. This is ionizing radiation lah. Okay, yang ada frekuensi tinggi. Gamma ray, X-ray. X-ray higher than UV. Gamma ray higher than X-ray. Gamma ray is the most dangerous lah. Yang paling tinggi. Right. And then we have toxic waste, also from the radioactive substance lah. Okay, radioactive substance. So this radioactive substance will emit radiation such as gamma ray, X-ray. So lebih kurang sama dengan ionizing radiation lah. Dia akan emit gamma ray ataupun X-ray inside the radioactive substance. So will release free radical or unstable atom or unstable molecule. Remember what is free radical? Free radicals is unstable atom or unstable molecule or unstable nucleus. Okay, kalau radioactive substance ni, radioactivity is the unstable nucleus, okay, that will emit radioactive radiation to become stable. So contohnya, okay, this one is the free radical. Free radicals is come from the unstable atom lah. Okay, and then air pollution, cigarette, smoke. Okay. Cigarette smoke kita ada carbon monoxide, okay, sulfur dioxide. So carbon, biasanya carbon lah. Carbon, kita ada carbon 14, carbon 14 that are unstable. So this carbon 14 act as a free radical that will attack our cell, our DNA. Boleh, Alright. That one is external factor. Nanti you, maksudnya you kena tahulah what is internal factor, what is external factor that can produce free radical. Internal factor, metabolism and inflammation. External factor ada banyak. Air pollution, exposure to the sunlight or ultraviolet ray, ionizing radiation from the cigarette smoke, that is external factor that will produce free radicals. Okay. Free radicals ni dihasilkan daripada proses oxidation. Okay, oxidation process, which is a chemical reaction that lose electron. Okay. Okay, now 10.3. Okay. 10.2 settle the meaning of free radical, the factors that cause free radical to be produced, internal and external. Okay, now 10.3 antioxidant substance. This one to prevent the free radicals from occur lah. So we need antioxidant substance. What is the meaning of antioxidant? Antioxidants are chemical substance, okay, that are needed by our body to slow down or to stop the oxidation process. Okay, we need antioxidant to stop or slow down oxidation process. Kenapa nak slow down? Because this oxidation process will release free radical. So kita nak prevent oxidation process from occur, from release free radical. Itu pun kita nak slow down, tak nak bagi banyak sangat, okay, dalam kita punya badan. So this antioxidant substance will protect our body cell from damage by free radicals and considered as defensive line against disease. So antioxidant considered as a defensive line, okay, against disease. Okay. Actually, our bodies are capable of producing antioxidant substance, but as we grow older and older, the ability to produce antioxidant is decreasing. Okay, so makin tua, kebolehan untuk hasilkan antioksidan berkurang. So we need extra or external sources of antioxidant. So kita kena ambil sumber luaran to increase antioxidant in our body. Okay, you masa muda ni you punya production of antioxidant banyak, still a lot lah, ada banyak. But as you grow older and older, the capability of our body to produce antioxidant will be decreased. So we need antioxidant from food, food ataupun supplement lah. Okay. So yang 10.3 ni dia yang natural punya lah. Okay, natural punya antioxidant. Okay, 10.4 tentang supplement ataupun active ingredient. Okay. Tengok contoh-contoh antioxidant dalam makanan lah, dalam natural food. Okay, we have beta carotene, lutein, lycopene, vitamin C and vitamin E. Ada 5. 5 type of antioxidant So beta-carotene found in most red, yellow or orange color food, carrot, mangoes and sweet potato. Okay. Ubi cledid. Ubi cledid. Okay, lutein for healthy eyes. Okay, found in green leafy vegetables lah, tumbuhan hijau, spinach, okay, cabbage and broccoli. Lycopene found in fruits such as papaya, guava, watermelon, tomato. Okay, lycopene. Vitamin C, biasalah vitamin C mesti dah familiar kan. Water soluble vitamin. Water soluble vitamins mean it can soluble in water. Okay. Soluble. Dia boleh bercampur dengan air. Okay. Water soluble vitamin that also known as ascorbic acid. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid. Okay. Chemistry name is ascorbic acid or vitamin C. So this one found in citrus fruits, spinach, broccoli, kiwi, strawberry, cranberry, cabbage, yang rasa masam-masam lah. Okay. Vitamin E, also known as alpha tocopherol. Okay, alpha tocopherol is an antioxidant found in oil. Okay, palm oil, gem oil, corn oil, anything lah, any oil lah. Okay, and soybean oil. Also found in apricot, broccoli, legumes and mangoes. So legumes ni untuk yang bijirin lah. Okay, padam. Untuk jenis kekacang. Okay, kekacang and mangoes. That is vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin C, citrus fruit, vitamin E, oil. Okay, semua jenis minyak. Minyak tu asal daripada buah juga, bahan. So minyak tu sama ada daripada palm oil, kelapa sawit, okay, gem oil, corn oil, jagung ke, kacang soya. Okay. 5 type of antioxidant. So this one lah yang you kena ambil to increase our antioxidant in our body, to slow down or to stop the oxidation process from produce free radical. So kena ambil antioxidant. Antioxidant. Okay. Antioxidant. Prevent oxidation. Oxidation process. Prevent lah. Okay. Antioxidant substance. To stop the oxidation process from release free radicals. Okay. The action of antioxidants on free radical. So kalau kita ambil antioxidant ni, it will make the free radicals become more stable. And because we know that free radicals are unstable atom or unstable molecule, right? So if we take antioxidant, it will repair. Contohnya dia akan baiki balik lah. Okay, it will make the free radical become more stable compound. Okay, and stop the oxidation process. Now that's why you need to know what is free radical first. Okay, and to prevent free radicals, we need to take antioxidant to stop the oxidation process. Okay, contoh oxidation process apa dia? Okay. Factors affect food oxidation. Okay, contoh dekat sini oxidation can be seen when foods are exposed to the air. It become brown. Okay, the color of the apple become brown when it is exposed to the air lah. So factors that affect food oxidation is air. Dekat sini dia punya faktor factor that cause oxidation is air. Okay. The process cause fruits such as apples and bananas to become brown when left exposed to the air. Okay. Contoh, ini contoh. Okay. So how to prevent the apple from become brown? Okay, we can put the apple inside a sugar solution, lime juice, sodium bicarbonate, or common salt, solution. Ni eksperimen lah. Ni eksperimen. Kalau ada eksperimen ni you kena take note. Okay. Kalau aktiviti saja you can skip lah. Tapi kalau dia cakap eksperimen, you kena take note. Okay, what's the aim? Kena baca semua. Tengok semualah. This one, paper 2, question number 11. Alright. Aim to study the effect of different type of solution on the oxidation of apple. We want to investigate the effect of different solution to the oxidation of apples. What happened to the apples when we put it in different type of solution? Okay. Problem statement. What can slow down the oxidation process on apple? Okay. Hypothesis. Solutions containing antioxidant can slow down the oxidation process on apple. This is our hypothesis. Larutan yang mengandungi antioksidan boleh memperlahankan proses oxidation, proses pengoksidaan ke atas apple. So kita buat eksperimen. Betul tak hipotesis ni? Apa jadi pada apple ni kalau letak dalam sugar solution? So this sugar solution, lime juice, sodium bicarbonate and common salt ni adalah contain antioxidant. So this 4 contain antioxidant. So kalau kita letak apple ni dalam antioxidant solution ni, apa akan jadi? Is it will change or no change? Okay. So this one is the control lah. We let it exposed to the air. The first one is as the control. Yang ni dia punya control. Okay, variable. What is manipulated variable? What you change in the experiment? The type of solution. You see the type of solution is different. Responding. Okay, what we want to measure? What we want to observe? Apa yang kita nak tengok? The color change on apple slice. Ada tak perubahan warna pada apple? That we want to observe. Responding variable. Constant. Surrounding temperature, size of apple slice or the volume of the solution. Okay. Constant variable. Yang tak berubah lah. Suhu, suhu your surrounding temperature. Okay. Suhu persekitaran. Right. Material. Material boleh tengok, boleh fikir sendiri. Okay. Maksudnya saya lebih suka you bayangkan, imagine the diagram first, baru boleh senaraikan apa yang perlu. Okay, material masih ada apple lah. Okay, apple, the solution, the chemical substance that we use, and then the apparatus, alat apa yang kita guna, pinggan ke, sudu ke, garfu ke, that is apparatus. So we have here petri dish, beakers and forceps. Okay, forceps to carry the apple lah, to hold the apple. Okay, and then the procedure saya dah explain. Okay, mesti ada 3 benda penting lah. Ada yang mesti ada manipulated, mesti ada responding. Okay, and then mesti ada repeat. Kalau ada repeat, kita repeat. Okay, prepare for type of solution action. Ini tak penting sangat. Number 2, cut an apple into 5 equal slice. So this one is the constant variable. 5 equal slice. Maksudnya the slice for each apple are same size. That is constant variable. Put one of the apple slice in a petri dish as a control. Number 3, use a forceps to soak each apple slice into sugar solution, lime juice, sodium bicarbonate and common salt. So this one is manipulated variable. Number 3, dia dah state manipulated variable. Number 2, dia state constant variable. Dah cukup 2. Okay, and then kita nak observe apa untuk responding. After 1 minute, place the apple slice from the 4 solution into a petri dish and leave them to be exposed to air for 15 minutes. Number 5, after 15 minutes, observe the change to the apple slice in the 4 type of susun. So yang number 5 ni adalah responding variable. Okay. So pengawas pemeriksa nanti akan tengok ada tak you tulis tentang manipulated variable, responding variable. Dan yang lain-lain itulah yang berkaitan. Prosedur yang berkaitan. Okay. And then result mesti ada dalam bentuk jadual. Okay. So result based on your manipulated and responding lah. Manipulated variable apa dia tadi? Type of solution. And the other column is for responding variable. What you want to observe? The color change on apple slice. Okay. So supposed to be we have 5 here. Ada satu lagi dekat sini. The control ni. Boleh letak satu lagi lah. Control. Okay. Right. What happened? Okay, after 15 minutes. Color changes on apple slice. Okay. For all this solution, there's nothing happen. You can state there's no change. Okay. No change. No change occur because in all this solution, there is antioxidant. Okay. Common salt. Ada vitamin C. Okay. Sodium ada vitamin C. Lime semua ada vitamin C ya. Right. Is the hypothesis of this experiment accepted? What is the conclusion of this experiment? So after you write down the result, you must take the conclusion. Okay, how to write the conclusion? Okay, remember, you must state first, is it the hypothesis is accepted? Okay. So dekat sini, there's no change occur. So maksudnya, sama tak dengan hypothesis yang you explain tadi. Hypothesis you. Solution containing antioxidant can slow down the oxidation process on apple. So nothing happen on the apples. So your hypothesis is correct lah. You dah buat eksperimen and then the result show that no changes on the apple that is immersed in the antioxidant solution. So hypothesis is accepted. First you write down hypothesis is accepted. Hypothesis is accepted. Then you write again your hypothesis. Tulis balik hypothesis yang dekat atas tadi. Tulis balik. Hypothesis is accepted. Okay. Solution that containing antioxidant apa? Give no effect to the slice of apple. Okay. Can slow down the oxidation process on apple. Okay. Solution that contain antioxidant can slow down the oxidation process on apple. Means there is no change occur on the apple. Right. So, cara saya untuk jawab soalan nombor 11 section C. Okay. Bahagian C. Jangan tinggal kosong. Okay, last one. 10.4 health product. Okay. There is an increase in the number of health product manufactured and sold in the market nowadays. Okay. However, are all of this product good for health and help in curing sickness? So kadang-kadang kita curious juga kan dengan suplemen yang ada dekat pasaran. Tapi nak yang betul-betul tu dekat farmasi lah, lebih selamat daripada you beli dekat Shopee ke, dekat Facebook ke, dekat online ke. So check dulu. Okay, nak check apa? Check the active ingredient in the product. So check the active ingredient. What is active ingredient? Okay, active ingredients are specific component of a product that have effect on the cure or prevention of disease. So kita nak fokus kepada apa? Kita nak cari suplemen tu tentang apa? Okay. So kalau contoh vitamin C, suplemen untuk kulit ke, so kita tengok dia punya active ingredient adalah vitamin C lah, as an antioxidant. Okay. So kita tengok dia punya active ingredient dia, specific component yang penting dalam suplemen, dalam ubat tu. Okay. Alright. So yang aktif ni lah yang dia punya isi padu ataupun dos dia yang lebih tinggi daripada benda lain. Okay, kita tengok yang aktif tu mesti dia punya ingredient dia lagi tinggi, kandungan dos dia lagi tinggi. Okay, that is active ingredient, specific components of a product. Okay. Alright. Okay. Active ingredient will have the same effect or purpose even different brand. Okay, walaupun brand dia lain-lain, okay, as long as the active ingredient is the same, so dia punya effect pun akan samalah. Okay, contoh biasa yang kalau saya selalu guna yang Shaklee pun ada, MV pun ada, so kita boleh bandingkan lah yang Shaklee punya suplemen dia vitamin C macam mana, MV punya suplemen vitamin C dia macam mana. Tapi dia punya efek dia mungkin samalah. Okay. Sebab dia punya active ingredient adalah vitamin C. So walaupun brand lain-lain yang you beli, tak kisahlah brand apa, kalau active ingredient tu tinggi, penting untuk antioksidan, so efek dia pun samalah. Okay. Tak perlulah argue yang ni lagi baik, yang ni lagi baik. Tengok dia punya active ingredient. Okay. Sometimes two or more active ingredients cannot be used together because they can react and cause harm to health. So dalam suplemen ni ada banyak jenis ubat lah. Ada yang multivitamin, dia dah gabung semua. Contoh kita ada 5 antioksidan tadi. Ada suplemen yang ada semua tu. Ada contoh kalau MV ada satu suplemen yang ada semua benda. Saya dah lupa. Apa dia? Multivitamin ke apa. Tapi mesti ambil 3 lah. Dia ada satu paket yang ada 3 jenis. 3 jenis pil. And then 3 ni dah kira the whole vitamin. Semua ada. Yang untuk vegetables pun ada. Okay. Yang untuk vitamins pun ada, and then minerals pun ada. So yang ni kita boleh ambil sekaligus. Satu kali makan, 3 ambil. Tapi sometimes kita tak boleh campur dengan benda lain. Contohnya kita ambil lagi this 3 tablet we take with another supplement. Tak boleh campur lah. Kalau ambil yang ni, makan yang ni dulu untuk pagi. And then tengah hari ataupun after 3 hours ke 4 hours baru boleh ambil yang suplemen lain, vitamin C ke apa. Okay. Kenapa? Because it may cause harm to your health. Mungkin banyak sangat you akan rasa pening. Nak muntah. So depends lah, depends, kadang-kadang depends on your body itself. Okay. So saya punya experience lah. Kadang ambil, kadang-kadang tak ambil juga. Mahal. Kan? Okay. Now the use of health product available in the market. Okay, currently the demand for health product is increasing. Why is this happening? So sekarang kita dah tahu kita punya pekerjaan and then dengan situasi semasa, okay, current situation dah makin banyak, 17,000 corona. Okay, so kita kena ambil suplemen. So untuk yang biasa, kalau yang corona ni ambil vitamin C lah, banyakkan vitamin C. Okay, to treat disease and to maintain our health. Muda ke tua ke, kalau macam ada extra money, boleh beli suplemen, take supplement. Okay. Tapi kalau dah rasa you punya immune system tu dah okay, tak ada masalah, tak selalu sakit, so tak perlulah. Mungkin nanti bila dah kerja, dah sibuk baru boleh ambil lagi. Okay, good health product can guarantee normal growth and prevent diseases. For example, multivitamins promote growth hormone children. So, contoh yang saya bagi tahu tadi lah. Kalau macam MW, dia ada satu multivitamin yang ada semua. Kalau Syakli tak ada lagi setakat ni lah. Okay, kena makan banyak jenis. Itu yang saya tak suka. Banyak-banyak jenis nanti pening. Okay, kita nak benda, nak pergi sekolah, nak cepat, nak buat kerja cepat, nak kena ambil vitamin, tak makan lagi. Belum makan lagi dah ambil vitamin, nanti akan jadi pening. So, kena tengok cara makan tu macam mana. Okay, more people are relying on health product for better health due to their busy lifestyle and unbalanced diet. Ni untuk yang sibuk lah, tak sempat nak makan ke, tak lalu nak makan. So, kena ambil suplemen, vitamin C or multivitamin. Okay. However, bismillah, people need to be more careful in choosing the right health product. Kalau rasa tak sesuai, stop. Okay. So, kena seek medical advice and always check the label first before buying or using any health product. Okay. Itu sahaja untuk chapter 10. Okay. Right. Done. Ini saya dah explain. Free radical, what is the meaning? Apa maksud dia? And then the factor ada internal and external. Internal apa tadi? Metabolism. Okay, metabolism in the body cell, in the cell also. Okay, metabolism in the cell that produce energy. So metabolism also carry oxidation process that produce free radicals. Okay, other than metabolism, we have inflammation of white blood cell. That is internal factor. External factor, you boleh fikir sendiri tadi apa? UV, okay, UV, ionizing radiation, okay, ionizing radiation, radioactive substance, okay, radioactive substance. UV ni termasuk sunlight lah, okay, sunlight, exposure to sunlight, and then air pollution, okay, and then cigarette smoke. Okay, that is external factor, faktor luaran. External factor that can increase the production of free radicals in our body. Okay. Kita tak sedar, kita keluar rumah, kita pergi sekolah awal sangat, tak ada matahari lagi. Balik sekolah, so you are exposed to the ultraviolet, exposed to the sunlight. Okay, so when you are exposed to the sunlight, it will cause oxidation process in your body that will produce free radicals. Okay. Antioxidant substance to slow down. Okay, to slow down or to stop the oxidation process, to prevent our DNA structure from damage. Okay, and then health product lah. Okay, habis. Health product tadi yang tentang active ingredient, kena check apa dia punya active ingredient, specific component, okay, to treat the disease. Okay, ada soalan nak tanya? Chapter 10. Ni senang sikit lah. Ada? Bab 10. Mesti tahu apa tu traditional medicine, modern complementary, the medicine use, contoh-contoh ubat. Okay, apa dia free radical, apa maksud, kena define free radical. Impact of free radical boleh menyebabkan apa? Mutation. Okay, boleh menyebabkan mutation apa tu? Disease, kidney failure, damage your kidney, damage your lung, damage your liver. Okay, hati, bukan jantung, liver tu hati. Okay, antioxidant substance, apa maksud antioxidant? action of antioxidant apa? What is the action of antioxidant on free radical? It will make the free radical become a stable compound. Okay. And then carry out experiment. Yang tadilah yang apple tadi. And then health product. What is the meaning of active ingredient? And justify the use of health product available in the market. Kenapa pengguna lebih banyak pilih health product? Untuk apa? Okay. Contoh-contoh soalan lah. Yang ni semua saya boleh fikir logik. Okay. Describe how free radicals are formed. Okay. Dari mana datangnya free radical ataupun ini maksud free radical lah. Okay. Maksud free radical. Free radicals is the atoms or molecule that are lack of one electron. Okay. Lack of one electron and become unstable and tend to attack another atom or molecule. So, two factors of free radical formation, internal and external. Two factors. Why free radicals are not a problem for some individuals but can cause health problem for others. So, ni kenapa? Based on age lah. Okay. Kenapa ada individu yang tak ada efek dengan free radical? Mungkin dia punya kandungan antioksidan dalam badan dia tinggi. Ataupun tengok dia punya lifestyle. Adakah dia merokok? Ataupun dari segi pekerjaan dia bekerja dekat mana? Adakah dia exposed to the radioactive substance? So yang ni kebat. Kebat. Ini boleh banyak. Asalkan you punya explanation tu betul, sudah dapatlah markah. Jangan you mengarut buat benda lain. Sudah. Okay. Kena relate. Okay, kena relate balik. Okay, number 3. What is meant by antioxidant? Role of antioxidant. Okay. Apa tujuan antioxidant? Maksud dulu, lepas tu apa dia punya function. Right? To prevent or to stop. Yes, stop or slow down oxidation process. 3 type of antioxidant and their natural resources. Okay. Kita ada 5 tadi. So, dia nak 3 saja. Apa yang you selalu ingat? Vitamin C. Vitamin C. Vitamin E. Okay. Pilih satu lagi. Daripada apa tadi? Beta carotene. Beta carotene tu pun ada dalam minyak masak. Okay. Dalam palm oil fruit. Okay. And then kita ada lutein. Lutein daripada tumbuhan hijau. Sayur. Sayur-sayuran hijau. Green leafy vegetables. Broccoli, spinach, bayam, sayur bayam. Satu lagi adalah lycopene. Okay, lycopene from the fruit, papaya, watermelon, cranberry, yang jenis yang masam-masam. Strawberry, cranberry, blueberry. Semua adalah yang berry-berry tu. So, listkan sahaja 3 jenis. Tapi kena ingat lah. Okay. Beta carotene, lutein, lycopene, vitamin C, vitamin E. Vitamin E tu adalah daripada minyak. Okay. Minyak jagung, minyak apa, olive oil ke, palm oil ke. So, with their natural resources for dia. Okay, tak ada masalah. This one complementary medicine treatment method. Describe the massage method used in this medical method. So yang ni dia guna apa? Dia massage guna apa? Guna kaki ke? Guna siku ke? So you kena explain lah sikit about the complementary medical treatment. Dia nak hilangkan apa? You said apa dia guna and then dia tujuan dia untuk apa? To relieve pain ke, muscle ke, joint ke, nak betulkan sendi ke. Okay, nak hilangkan letih ke. So kena bagi tahu semualah. Okay, yang you ingat tu you bagi tahu semua. Jangan write yang nonsense pula lah. Okay. Yang ada kaitan. Right. Okay. Alright, dah habis dekat sini. Setakat ni saya tak ada bagi kerja lagi. Saya nak habiskan dulu syllabus, nanti saya bagi kerja. Okay. Tengoklah nanti kalau ada. Kalau tak ada, tak adalah. Okay. Ada soalan? Tak ada. Right. Dismiss for today. Thank you, class. Okay, ini.
Terima kasih, cikgu.
Ya.